Luna, you my good girl. Come over here. You coming over here? Come on, pretty girl. Who's my best girl? So as you can see, Luna's doing very well. Taking her medicine as usual. And she's a happy girl. Luna's been here many times before, so she knows the drill. What you doing, Luna? What you doing? Before I came in, she was watching the birds outside. There's a chipmunk. Oh, good girl. There's a chipmunk that she was eyeballing out there. Luna. Much more interested in the birds than me. Luna. Alright, but she's doing well. No need to worry about her. I'm coming over to pet you. Yes, I am. I'm coming to get you. Yes. You're a good girl. You're the best girl. Yeah. Say goodbye to Mom. Say bye, Mom.